Good morning, folks. Today is Thursday, May the 5th. I didn't have a weekly update for you last week. Unfortunately, we got rainy and cold and things just aren't growing well here currently. Our daytime temperatures are typically in the upper 50s and down in the 40s at night. Seeds won't germinate, and the plants that are in, they're suffering a little bit from the cold. They can't absorb the nutrients like they need to. Our tomatoes and the kale are both looking kind of tough. I do have 2 rows of tomatoes in here. The full bed of kale, which is looking a little bit tough, again because of the cold. When it gets warm next week, they'll come out of this pretty quick. And the rain is going to let up tomorrow long enough that I'm going to be able to feed these guys. It's been raining every day. Just almost pointless to waste the nutrients. Onions are doing well. We do have broccoli, cauliflower, and Swiss chard in this row here. A few more broccoli and cauliflower plants in a short row there. And almost a complete full row of cabbage. I'm missing a few plants, but next week when the weather is more conducive and not as muddy, I'll get those in. Still lots left to get started here in the garden. I'm going to have my hands full with the weeds that are coming up, but I'd say we're about 2 weeks away from this starting to look like an actual garden. All right, folks, quick and dirty update for you today. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.